Hello children, welcome back to the new video. So today I am going to show you very interesting activity to make a DIY party popper. So you can make this popper for your birthday or for your friend's birthday. So let's get started. So to make that you need a scissor, balloon, a cup, paper cup and some colorful papers. So let's get started. So you can see here that I have marked a hole with the help of pencil and then I am going to cut out this part with the help of scissor in this way. See that I have taken out my white portion with the help of the scissor. So now I'll take my balloon and I'll cut this portion out and I'll keep this portion. So let's do that. So the head portion I have taken out and I'll stretch it and I'll put it over my cup. Now you can see here that I have fixed my half part of the balloon on my paper cup in this way. Now what we will do, we will put all the poppers into this cup and let's try this. Now let's quickly understand the science behind this activity. So this activity also works on the stored elastic potential energy. Now when we stretch the balloon, it stores the potential energy, and when we release it, that energy reaches in a form of kinetic energy, and thus it makes my poppers which is inside the cup to come out, and we see as the poppers are blasting all around. So in this way this activity works. Thank you.